You whisper words forbidden to see if I've been listening. Now I'm listening. We won't both get our way. If we do, it won't be tonight anyway. So I hold you by the jaw and kiss you to be sure we're so much more than before. But it took a wild heart to tame mine, and it took a wild heart to charm. And now wild heart's on the floor with his everlasting arms, with her everlasting arms. I wouldn't have you any other way. I would want a love that makes sense anyway. I guess I asked for the truth. I guess I asked for it, brutal and untrue. But tonight it sounds improvised. Whatever has you so inspired, well, I know